So hello everyone, this is Omar Saad and I'm recording this video to be explaining to you the case solving flow. So I try to simplify the flow as follow. So it's divided into three areas. The blue area is the LC to LC level, then the red area is ECB to ECB level, then the dark gray area is definitely the ICB level. So starting from first step of initiating a case, so here is the EP sending the official case, and then the LC receive the case and start gather information, and most importantly it must reply in 48 hours. Then the LC, if it responded, so get in touch with all the parties that included in this kit, which is the sending entity, hosting entity, and the EP definitely. So if they find a solution, definitely this will go to the case, solve it and close it. If not responding, or the LC that should be handling this are not responding to the sending entity, for example, so this could be raised to the ECB level. So here is if not the LC, the LC cannot be handling this case, so the definitely ECB of the claiming entity start to raise a case. But after raising a new case, ECB should gather all the information from all the parties and checking mismatch, and definitely checking XPP, and restart negotiating, but within 7 days. So if it work out, they create a plan for solving the problem and confirm it from all the parties, and putting setting a deadline, then track it, and by that the case will be solved. But if it doesn't work, so the claiming entity should submit an official case application to ICB, and the counter entity should be replying on this application within 7 days. So if this entity not respond, so this could be a notification for ICB to review the case application and give final case solution in 72 hours. But if it responds, claiming entity should reply on the response by maximum 72 hours, and by that all the reviews and all the cases is there for ICP to review it and see if it need reimbursement or not. So if the case need reimbursement and ICB decided to put a reimbursement on that, so the counter entity have the right to appeal, and ICB have the right to accept the appeal or not. So if ICB accepted the appeal, definitely this will go to, it should put a final solution for that, and after the solution all the entities should be abide by, and ICB have the right to follow up on this solution, and by that the case is solved. But if not the appeal is accepted, so it's rejected, so the counter entity should be implementing the reimbursement that put it by ECB, by ICB, sorry, and should implementing it, but at the end ICB should follow up on the implementation of the reimbursement, and by that I think the case will be closed. That's all. I tried to simplify it as much as I can. Thank you for watching. See you later.